Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to find your player ID in Tacticool. To find your player ID in Tacticool, open up your Tacticool application on your mobile device first. After you do that, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. From the options displayed on the left hand side, click on Profile. After selecting the profile option, you will then be able to see your player ID right underneath your player name. Tap on the ID and your ID will be copied successfully on your clipboard. This unique ID is used to identify you in the game. So that is how you easily find your user ID in Tacticool. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.